Hi, Bradley Botkin here from WGBH NCAM, National Center for Accessible Media. Today we're going to do a quick demo of how to install CADET on a Mac. So from the very beginning, you might visit ncam.wgbh.org and it brings you to this page. And if you scroll down a little ways, you'll find CADET. There's CADET. And if you click on the Learn More link, it brings you over here. And you can download and read the installation. And if you click on that, it brings you to this page. There are two things that you need to do. So you can see at the top it says requires two components to be downloaded and installed. Node.js, that's a local web server, and CADET application itself. So the first thing you would do would be to click on the download and install Node.js. So if you click that link, it just brings you to the Node.js page. That's freeware. And you can download for your Mac. I've got a 64-bit. I think almost everybody will have that. And I'm going to go ahead and launch that. And I'm going to continue. And continue. And here we go. Done. I'm going to move it to the trash. So that piece is done. And now if I go back to this spot, I can download and install CADET. That brings me, so if I click on that link, that would bring me to this page. And I'm going to click I agree to the end user license, which just says that you're going to behave yourself. And when you click the I agree button, the download CADET link will magically appear. And so I'm going to go ahead and do that. And this brings me to the downloads page, the real downloads page, which has all of the previous releases, official releases, and the current releases at the top. So I'm on a Mac. I'm going to click the Mac installer, and that's going to download. And I think it might be done. Sure. Double click that. It's starting up. So I'm just going to drag the CADET application to my applications folder. Goes. And we're done. So I'm going to show you that that's true. Let's shrink this. And I'm going to go to my applications folder. Here we go. I'm going to look for CADET. There it is. I'm going to double click it. And it runs. It's running. In the background, we'll probably see CADET running over here. It has a little terminal that's running in the background that gives you a little bit of information there just about the whole process. And here it is. And I'm going to just try opening a media clip. I've got one in my desktop. I've got Genome. And I'm going to press go.
The genome is a storybook that's been edited for a couple billion years. And you couldn't take it to bed like 1,001.
And I create a caption. And there it is. You can see that the caption shows up. That's it. That's how you install CADET on a Mac. See you next time.